How's this your Uncle Preppy Yoga? We got some leftover roast chicken, and you can also do it with regular chicken. And these are the 4 ingredients to make a very good keleguen. Yeah, I've loved keleguen ever since I tried it a few weeks ago. It's a very simple recipe, and we'll see what we can do with it to give it a mix-up. And if you like this recipe, please like and subscribe. But there's a little trick to the end of it, and I'll show you. Right? Here we go. As you can tell, I've already diced the onions, and I forgot the green onions there. I'm going to proceed to chop up all of this, and also the doni. And it's a very simple dish, man. Super easy. Now that I minced all the chicken, now if you don't want to use the roast chicken that you can get from all the grocery stores, you can also get just like regular chicken and do it yourself. It just adds flavors. So when you do it like this with the roast chickens, you really don't want to add flavors because there's already a lot of flavor in there. And then we're just gonna go and put in all the ingredients. It's pretty simple. We're gonna go cut the lemon. Squeeze it in there. One more. Now we're gonna mix it. And if that's not enough, here's a secret. You can get true lemon. They're like lemon powders in the Chamorro community and the Guam community. They use the yours lemon powder, but this is, I think, almost as good. Use a lot of packets. What you have to do, because the reason we do this is because the lemon actually cooks the chicken in your barbecue. Right? So now it's all in there. Now we're gonna throw in all the rest of the junk. Right? Yep. Just as simple as that. Now what's funny is the thing that kicks this whole food off is actually the pepper. So for the people that don't like pepper, this is going to be tough because I can smell it already. Smells so good. So the last part is do the doni. Or since I don't have doni, second best thing, Thai peppers. But again, most of the family can't eat spicy food, so I will just take part of it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, and the pepper, and yes. This is basically chicken keleguen, one with spice. It's not really chicken keleguen without doni. So I'll just call it chicken lemon thingamajiggy. wait to taste it. It's so refreshing with the lemon. And then there's a bite to it. Oh, good. Oh, geez. There's a bite to it with the pepper. And then the barbecue taste. It is so good. It's really crazy. But, oops. Now, we're gonna add a twist to it. But maybe not. But it is so good. You gotta try it. One of the few things that is refreshing almost all the time. Alright, let's see what we're gonna do next. You know what's really funny? I forgot to add this. Coconut. Yeah. That adds to the flavor. Pardon me. I'm old and senile. Your Uncle Burpee Yoga. It's been a long day. So I'm gonna get my grub in. Now let's try it. I'm gonna hold us. Every bite crunchy, coconutty, sour, spicy, meaty, char. There's nothing else like it. Exactly.